Alrighty guys, here we go. This is David here at Deet's Garage. Just want to show you guys this 1992 Chevy Camaro. We just finished installing the Viper remote start system and Autotech 320 amps alternator for better performance. The Viper alarm that we put on is the new Viper alarm here. The mile range alarm system comes with 2 remotes. Two remotes, one pager and one extra, just in case you miss this pager or something. It's got locks, power door locks. Let me take this off. So it's got power door locks. This one even tells you the temperature and how low your battery is. You can recharge this remote here. It's not battery operated. Now you hit this little button here, you hold it down for a few seconds. And it'll go ahead and remote start your vehicle. This does have a kill switch built in. And let me show you guys how that works. We put a little indicator right there to kind of warn people. The way the kill switch works, if somebody was to open your vehicle in any way, your alarm will sound off. It's gonna page you on here. This vibrates and has a little siren. The kill switch is activated when the alarm goes off, so it will not let you start your vehicle. You hear the little pager? The only way to...
About the Olympics. iHeartRadio.
The only way to start your vehicle, you go ahead and disarm it and start her up. Like so. Okay, so that's the way the shock sensor works. The kill switch works. Now this does have door triggers that we hooked up as well here. That's going to activate the alarm. It's got door triggers on each door. It's also got a hood pin, just in case they open it, it will activate the alarm. It's got a shock sensor. Let me open up this hood though so I can show you guys the alternator. Now it is a work in progress on this vehicle. This is the Autotech Gold Series that we installed here. We wired it up, changed the serpentine belt, and now we read at 14 something, I forget exactly. But yeah, that works out pretty good. It's got the hood pin right here. And it's got the shock sensor. Let me show you guys how that shock sensor works real quick. Shock sensor obviously is going to be if any hard impact hits your vehicle. Well, I think right now that we got the hood open, it's not activating. Let me go ahead and try that again. and sound off. So that's the shock sensor. Hold on. So that's the shock sensor, and that's it. That's how this alarm works, guys. So let us know if you guys need any alarms done. We'll go ahead and take care of y'all. Let's go.